Today I'm going to be reviewing LOLBOX. Look at this thing, 2025 music boxing machine for adults and kids. I had never seen anything like this. It has 5 levels. You just easily change the levels here. It has music on there, and they'll flash through faster. You can put it up on your wall. Let me show you how you can mount it. And it does come with these MMA gloves. I don't even know if you would need them or not. It's kind of fun though that they have those. You can either mount them. You can mount them with these straps, with the Velcro straps here. You get both sides, obviously. Or they've got this sticky thing, double-sided, that you can stick on the back. And you can see there's nothing really on the back. You can stick it on the back, and you can punch it on the wall. Now, you know, I could see that if you put this out there and you punched really hard, that you could, you know, maybe push it through a wall if it wasn't if it's a cheap wall. But here's the cool thing: you can actually put your own music through this. It's got Bluetooth, so you can run your own music through this, and then you just, you know, you're punching the lights, trying to hit them in time, going faster. It's a really good workout. I mean, boxing is one of the best workouts. People don't realize that. Obviously jump roping and stuff like this, but just punching and moving around. So having this wall, punching hard isn't necessarily what you have to do. It's just, you know, going through the motions and just listening to the music you like. So I can actually see this being a really good thing. I mean, this does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.6 stars with 562 reviews. It's a #1 bestseller. I'm just starting to see these a lot. So I think these are going to be a big hit for Christmas this year. Really good idea here. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.